this video, we will look at the top 5 drone in 2024 available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for next update video. Number 1. Holystone GPS Drone, your entry into aerial adventure. The Holystone GPS drone is designed with beginners in mind, offering an easy-to-use interface coupled with robust features that elevate your flying experience. Equipped with GPS-assisted flight, this drone ensures stable positioning and precise hovering, making it ideal for capturing smooth aerial footage. Its 1080p HD camera delivers decent image quality, though not at par with higher-end models. One standout feature is its intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Tap Fly, which enhance creativity and ease of use. Features of Holystone GPS drone: GPS-assisted flight for stable hovering, 1080p HD camera, beginner-friendly with intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly. Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro, Power and Performance Unleashed. For those seeking more power and versatility without breaking the bank, the Ruko F11 Pro stands out. Boasting a 4K UHD camera stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal, this drone captures stunningly detailed aerial shots and smooth videos. Its long flight time of up to 30 minutes per battery charge ensures extended exploration time. The Ruko F11 Pro excels in windy conditions, thanks to its brushless motors and GPS module, which contribute to stable flight performance. Beginners will appreciate its intuitive controls and the variety of intelligent flight modes like Orbit and Waypoint. Features of Ruko F11 Pro: captured in 4K UHD stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal, GPS for precise positioning, up to 30 minutes flight time, brushless motors, and various intelligent flight modes. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC Compact Elegance, Professional Results. DJI is synonymous with quality in the drone industry, and the Mini 3 Pro lives up to that reputation. As the smallest member of the DJI family, this drone doesn't compromise on features or performance. With its 2.7K camera and 3-axis gimbal, it delivers smooth, professional-grade footage that rivals larger drones. The Mini 3 Pro is incredibly portable, weighing under 250 grams, making it compliant with many aviation regulations. Pilots benefit from DJI's reliable connectivity and comprehensive safety features, ensuring a worry-free flying experience every time. Features of DJI Mini 3 Pro: DJI RC ultra-lightweight under 250G, 2.7K camera with 3-axis gimbal, DJI fly-up compatibility, professional-grade footage quality, and reliable connectivity. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro, Precision Engineering for the Connoisseur. Stepping up the game, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers enhanced performance and features tailored for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with a 4K camera supported by a 3-axis gimbal, this drone produces cinematic quality videos and stunning photographs. Its extended flight time and robust signal transmission provide unparalleled reliability during flight. The Mini 4 Pro integrates seamlessly with DJI's Fly app, offering advanced shooting modes like Dolly Zoom and Active Track 4.0, elevating your creative possibilities to new heights. Features of DJI Mini 4 Pro: 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, extended flight time, DJI Fly app integration, cinematic video capabilities, and advanced shooting modes like Dolly Zoom and Active Track 4.0. Number 5. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K drone, smooth cinematic shots at your fingertips. If you're looking for a drone that combines affordability with professional-grade features, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K drone deserves your attention. This compact powerhouse packs a punch with its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, ensuring steady and clear footage even in challenging conditions. Its lightweight design and foldable arms make it incredibly portable, perfect for travelers and adventurers. The Atom impresses with its intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and gesture control, enhancing user interaction and creativity. Features of Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K drone: features a 4K camera stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, lightweight and foldable design for portability, intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and gesture control, making it affordable yet capable for aerial photography. Conclusion: choosing your aerial companion. In conclusion, selecting the right drone depends largely on your specific needs and budget. Each model reviewed here, whether it's the user-friendly Holystone GPS drone, the powerful Ruko F11 Pro, the compact yet capable DJI Mini 3 Pro, the professional-grade DJI Mini 4 Pro, or the feature-packed Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K drone, offers a unique set of features designed to cater to different preferences and skill levels. Whichever drone you choose, rest assured that these models represent some of the best offerings in today's drone market. Embrace the thrill of flight and capture breathtaking moments from new perspectives with your perfect aerial companion. Happy flying! Thank you for